So, it's April. It's my birthday month. Birthday ko po na April 29. Baka naman. Padala kayo ng cake. So, ngayon pa lang, I decided to treat myself na. Nag-order tayo ng a couple of stuff online and we will open them today. So, first is this box. This is from TikTok Shop. I have an idea na kung ano ito. Tin-order ko si Paul kasi naubos na namin yung isa namin ganito, yung aming toner. So, nag-order kami ulit. If you want this, it's on my showcase. So, order na kayo. Very effective. Grabe ang packaging. May isa pang bubble wrap. Si Paul yung pina-order ko nito, so hindi ko alam kung anong specific color yung in-order niya. But this is the Mediheal toner. Nakaubos na kami ng isang ganito. We had the white one. Ito siya, ganito yung box. Ubos na, wala nang laman. In all fairness, tumagal sa akin to ng mga 2-3 months. He ordered the brown one, which is the Retinol Collagen Lifting Pad. So, tingnan natin. Hindi to sponsored pero nasa showcase ko siya. Pero grabe yung packaging. Considering na hard case naman yung lalagyan niya. Ang dami-daming bubble wrap. Ang dami-daming kahon. Oh. Bago mo makuha yung product itself. Very aesthetic. I love it. So, tatry natin to and I will tell you guys kung ano ang aking review. Wow, beauty vlogger. Kung ano ang aking thoughts about this. Okay, next. Ito naman yung regalo ko para sa sarili ko. Bumili ako ng konting outfit. Meron din tayo mga accessories on Shein. And dumating na siya, so tingnan natin. Yeah. Okay, here they are. Unahin natin yung mga damit. So, 4 na items to. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. 5 items. Meron tayong a couple of polo shirts. Super cute. Meron tayong parang ascot. Tapos meron tayong 2 accessories. Let's start with the shirts. Okay, I ordered this checkered na oversized na crop na shirt. Ang size nito is large, if I'm not mistaken. Ooh, look at that. Cute! Parang polyester yung fabric na. Medyo, yung alam niyo parang makinis na medyo may kintab ng very, very light. But I like it. Tingnan natin later if it fits. I will show you guys. But here it is. Ito yung ating unang item. Next item, another polo shirt. Ito hindi ata siya cropped. Pero na-inlove ako dun sa kulay. Napakaganda, napaka-colorful. Baklang-bakla. I love it. Oh my gosh, this is big. I-fit natin later. Parang ganun din yung tela. Halos parehas sila. Although this one, mas maganda yung pagkakatahi niya in my opinion. This is from someone shop. Ang ganda nung quality. Tingnan natin kung anong itsura niya pag nakasuot na. Tapos this one, I